Today I will show you 3 low startup cost businesses that you should consider starting in 2023, so hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get started. Short-form content is without a doubt one of the most incredible opportunities of our generation. With apps like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, people are blowing up on these platforms quicker than ever before. But to be honest, it will take a long time to actually make money as a creator. But I believe that there might be a massive opportunity someplace else to make pretty good money pretty quickly. What I would recommend is starting a content repurposing agency. Basically, your mission is to find influencers with a small to a medium-sized audience and offer to edit their videos, live streams, and podcasts into short-form content. Then you can take that content and post it for them on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok to help them grow a lot quicker. Most of the creators are seeking out this right now, so there is lots of value in this service right now. With an agency like this, you can, without any problem, charge clients $1,000 to $3,000 a month for only editing these easy videos. But there's just one problem with this business idea. Everyone is trying to do this right now. Each single day, creators get at least 10 emails from people providing this exact service to them. So in case you need to do this, you should ask yourself how you will stand out and actually get clients. What you should do is, instead of simply reaching out to creators and offering this service, you should show them that you are able to do it. So pick an influencer and go ahead and start creating a few content for them for free. The goal of that is to build up a clip page and show that you are capable of having results. If you could do this, people will be more likely to pay you without hesitation. For example, if any person emailed me and said, "Hi there, I created a clip page for you a few weeks ago and I've already got multiple thousand followers, and we even had a video hit 1 million views," I'm going to be more likely to hire that person compared to the man that's much like, "Hey bro, hire me." So if you can do this properly and get some results for them, I can almost guarantee you to lock them in as clients. This opportunity might not be available forever, so make sure to take advantage of it while you can. However, for now, let's move directly to the second business idea. We will discuss many business ideas today, but I truly believe that this one right here is going to be the best opportunity for most beginners because there is a large demand and still a big hole on this marketplace. As we notice these days, TikTok is absolutely one of the best ways for businesses to get traffic and sales, and I predominantly see people using TikTok to promote online businesses. But it's very rare that I see somebody using TikTok to promote a local business. Most local businesses need to grow, and they want to be using this platform, but they're either way too busy to post every single day or they simply do not know how to use it. So if you can fill that gap, you can make an absolute killing, which is why I suggest you to start a local TikTok marketing agency. Jordan Welch said that he lives in Miami, and even living in a large city like this, he rarely sees any agencies that specialize in this service. So imagine what it's like in a smaller city. Those businesses needs to grow too, and they want to use this platform, so you can be one of the few ones, if not the only one in your city that actually providing this service. Because with TikTok advertisements, you can target a specific neighborhood or city that you want. This will allow you to get targeted customers that are interested in the thing that you are trying to promote, whether that's an electronics store or a sneaker shop. You can pretty much drive traffic to any one of these businesses and get them customers with TikTok. Due to the fact that it's no longer just kids using this platform anymore, there are people from every age or spending hours a day on TikTok, so I can assure you that in case you jump on this opportunity as fast as you can, you will be capable of making some good money. And with only a couple clients, you might build yourself a 6-figure-a-year business by just posting TikToks. Of course, to do this successfully, you need to learn the most important skills like running ads, creating viral content, and getting clients. But now let's move to the last business idea. Last but not least is copywriting. A copywriter is somebody who writes advertising and promotional materials. As an example, when you visit Apple's website, all of the words or the copy on the site is meticulously written by a copywriter. Or when you get promotional emails from a company, all the words and these emails are written by a copywriter, as well as websites, ads, or landing pages. Really anything that's connected with advertising and marketing, all of these things are written by a copywriter. And let me simply tell you, copywriters make a lot of money. You can get hired by a client on somewhere like Upwork for ads or email copywriting for $50 per hour on average. just to do the copy for them. And here's the thing, if you have only one client and you working a full 8 hours a day, then you'll be making upwards of $400 per day. And if you work 40 hours a week, then you'll be making as much as $2,000 per week, or $8,000 per month. And all you need to do to get started is simply go to a website like Upwork, where there is a lot of different job posts and people seeking out for copywriters. Now the crazy part about all of this is sure it will require a couple of weeks of you to mastering the fundamentals of copywriting. And you can do this through both watching YouTube videos or taking incredibly low-cost courses on sites like Udemy. Another crazy part is that you don't even need to be an expert writer who has an English diploma to do this and make life-changing money, due to the fact that there are tools like Grammarly that will actually make your writing sound like an expert. So that's it for today. If you haven't already, dropped a like down below or subscribed to the channel. I don't know what you're waiting for. It would mean the world to me if you could do both of these things. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day or night, and I will see you again in the next video very soon.